guys, I'm Jessie Marie. Thanks for watching, and today I'm here to show you another awesome product. Don't mind my hair, I'm way overdue for a color, but I have been using this brand's products recently and they have done so many beneficial things to my hair. My hair was so frizzy, so dead, and so damaged until switching to Nutree professional hair care products. So bear with me. I'm a little off today. I'm not feeling too hot. Daughter's sick and home from school. So yeah, just not my day, but I still need to share amazing products with you. So this again is by Nutree, and it is their Silver Botox Expert Thermo Multi-Control Mask. And this is great for anti-frizz, moisturizing, etc. So to the product. So first and foremost, you want to wash your hair with an anti-residue shampoo. I recommend, there are multiple brands out there, but charcoal base, anything anti-residue to help remove the residue from excess shampoo, conditioners, leave-in treatments, masks, etc. And then you want to dry your hair 100% and then section it into multiple sections. They recommend 6. And we will dry and see you back soon. So I've already dried and sectioned my hair ahead of time. Now I'm going to apply the product. You apply 2 sections, leave on for about a half hour to 40 minutes, and then rinse partially, and then you'll follow up with drying and flat ironing hair. So let's get to applying the product. And you just want to apply a nice layer to each section of your hair. So I've applied product to a full head of hair. I'm going to throw it up in a towel for about a half hour, and then I'm going to blow dry and straighten and have frizz-free, soft, nourishing hair. Okay guys, I've rinsed, dried, and straightened my hair, so make sure you check out Nutree Professionals and grab their Silver Botox Expert Thermo Multi-Control Mask. It's awesome. My hair has never felt smoother and softer than ever. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.